Christopher, you already know that. Andrew, happy birthday. And I just want to say that you're like a brother to me. You're like a very good cousin, but before you see you're like an all friend. Thank you for that. And good luck in the 13s. Hopefully you have a good year of 13. Next year 14. So that's 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, we understand.
Well, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Andrew, hope you have long life.
Now.
Yo, what's up? Happy birthday, Andrew.
Yo, Andrew, bro. Hope you enjoy your birthday, bro.
Hope you enjoy your birthday.
You're your best friend ever.
13, bro. Next year 14. Yeah, boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew.
Well, all I have to say is that I wish you a very healthy, happy birthday, and that God keeps blessing you with many more to be a good young man as you are now. Love you very much.
1, 2, go.
Happy birthday, Andrew. Say happy. No, it's a camera video. Say happy birthday, Andrew. Happy birthday, Andrew.
Happy birthday, Andrew.
In the circus. In the circus.
Let's do it.
Acrobat.
She said it.